Semi-Trucks in Action by Lola M. Schaefer. Semi-trucks. With a rumble and a roar, semi-trucks take to the highway. Semi-trucks are large trucks. Semis move cargo from one place to another. These trucks often carry large, heavy loads and travel long distances. Cargo. Goods that are carried from one place to another. Before semi-trucks. People used trucks and trains to carry cargo before semi-trucks were invented. But trucks could not carry very large, heavy loads. Trains could only deliver cargo to train stops. Early semi-trucks. The earliest semi-trucks were trucks and wagons. People attached wagons to the backs of trucks. These semis could not carry much cargo. Some trucks did not have cabs. The driver sat on a seat above a small fuel tank. Parts of a tractor. Semi-trucks have two main parts, the tractor and the trailer. The tractor has many parts. The engine is under the hood. A fuel tank is on one or both sides of the cab. Hot gases from the engine come out of the exhaust pipe. A metal plate on the back of the tractor is called the fifth wheel. A tractor has 6 to 10 tires. Cab, exhaust pipe, fifth wheel, fuel tank. Parts of a trailer. A semi-truck's trailer holds cargo. A trailer has a kingpin and landing gear. The kingpin works with the fifth wheel to lock the trailer to the tractor. Landing gear supports the trailer's front when it's not locked to the tractor. Trailers have 4 to 8 tires. Kingpin, a metal rod used to join a trailer to a tractor. Kingpin, landing gear, tires. How semis work. The driver attaches the tractor to a trailer. The tractor pulls the trailer. The tractor has a large diesel engine. Diesel fuel powers the engine. Power from the engine turns the tractor's tires. And driving a semi-truck. Drivers sit in the tractor cab. They use a steering wheel, pedals, and levers to drive the tractor. Drivers pick up and unload cargo at a loading dock. They keep a log of their time on the road and the distance they traveled. Some drivers use an electronic logbook to log their time. Log, a written record. Semi-truck drivers keep a log of the time and distance of each trip. Electronic logbook. Semi-trucks today. Semi-trucks today move many kinds of cargo. They carry items such as books and clothing. Some trailers are kept cold so they can carry fresh food or flowers. Livestock trailers deliver animals. Tank trailers hold liquids. Flatbed trailers carry large, heavy machinery. Rain or shine, semis travel across the country to deliver their loads. Semi-truck facts. Some semi-trucks have more than one trailer. A second trailer can be joined to the back of the first trailer. People attend driving schools to become semi-truck drivers. Students train for 8 to 12 weeks. They study and practice driving for about 500 hours. A full tanker trailer can hold as much liquid as 200 bathtubs. The fuel tanks on some tractors can hold almost 300 gallons, 1,100 liters of fuel. In the United States, semis carry about 11 billion tons, 10 billion metric tons, of cargo each